Hello everyone, this is Minhan. Today video I will like show you 3 different way or different method to do wrap text in Excel. As you can see here, I have multiple line wrap text. So here I have a long text like that, and let's make a wrap text right here. Let me copy to this first, so you can see like that. So first method is using wrap text option. We go to home and see wrap text. So it's something like this, but you cannot manage how long this text you want. So it automatically, okay. So not the way we want, okay. So we just copy this one. This time we do wrap text like this, but we can limit or we can do what we want. For example, like this, and I want from this start in it go to the next line. So with your keyboard shortcut to wrap text, so press Alt and enter. Boom, it go down in. See, so if we just scroll back, so it in is still there, okay. For example, I want 3 methods down, press Alt and enter. Okay, if you use Alt from the right side not work, use the left hand side. Okay, it works. Okay, another method is to use the formula. For example, like here, right? So we have text like this. So we use the formula, just type equal, and then, for example, from here, wrap, and then connect with CHAR and 10 for new line. Okay, CHAR 10 is for new line formula, and then connect with type like that. Okay, and connect with and the CHAR for new line. I want new line right here, CHAR 10 for new line, and then connect with the string right here. Okay, let me enter. Boom. See, you got 3 lines from wrap text. Okay, how long it make it still right there. So the formula here, just insert CHAR 10 in between, and then you got it. So here's 3 different easy methods that you can use to wrap text in Excel. Okay, hope you learned something from this video. If you have any question, let me know in comment. Thank you for watching. See you next time.